Okay, so what is the next way of solving the equations?
Elimination.
Okay, can you read me a problem out of your... No talking. Can you read me a problem out of your book?
Yes, sir. Trisha and Byron are washing and vacuuming cars to raise money for a class trip. Trisha raised $38 washing 5 cars and vacuuming 4 cars. Byron raised $28 by washing 4 cars and vacuuming 2 cars. Find the amount they charged to wash a car and vacuum a car.
I like the name Byron. It's like Declan, but Byron. Okay. Okay, you in the back, what do you think the equation is?
5x plus 4y equals 38.
Good, you're not an embarrassment. Can you try the next one?
4x plus 2y equals 28.
Okay, now can you tell me what to do in this situation if you want to eliminate?
You would multiply the top equation by 4 and the bottom one by 5.
Oh, get out. Go home. Get out. Get out.
Okay. Actually, technically that was the...
You leave too. Get out.
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell you how to do this. Okay, you're going to multiply the top by 4 and the bottom by 5. Any questions?
Actually, that's what he did.
No, those are your words, not mine. I'm just repeating what the media said, okay? He did not have any relations with the Kremlin. That's my other job. Back to math. You're going to multiply the top side by nothing, and the bottom by 2. So your new equations are going to be 5x plus 4y equals 38. And can you do this equation for me, please?
4x plus 4y equals
Sit
28.
down.
Oh.
No. It's going to be 8x plus 4y equals... You right there. What is 28 times 2?
56.
Smart. Take notes from this kid. Okay, he knows what he's doing. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to get rid of the y by subtracting. Also, you're going to subtract. Okay, so what is 5 minus 8?
-3.
And 4 minus 4 is 0. So you're going to take that out. What is 38 minus 56? Get a calculator. I know you're not that smart.
-18.
Way to use your calculator. And so, now what you're going to do is to get your x, you're going to divide both sides by -3. So divided by -3. And since they're both negative, they offset. X is equal to 16. So that means there were 16 cars washed.
Actually, the answer is 6.
Don't you dare contradict me. Thank you. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to solve for y. So we're going to put the x back into the equation. So instead of 5x, it's going to be 5 times 6. So 5 times 6 plus 4y equals 38. 5 times 6, that is equal to 30, plus 4y equals 38. And then you subtract 30 from either side. So 4y is equal to 8. So then you're going to divide. So you're going to divide each side by 4. So divide by 4. Y equals 8 divided by 4, 2. So now we're going to check both by putting them into the second equation. So now we're going to move over to an unoccupied side of the board. And we're going to do 8x plus 4y equals 56. 6. So we're going to plug in 6 for x, so 8 times 6 plus 4 times 2 equals 56. Okay. 8 times 6, 6 times 8, 48 plus 4 times 2, 2 times 4, regular 8 equals 56. There we go, 56 equals 56. Is that a true statement?
Yes.
Okay, the answer is correct, and our ordered pair is 6, 2. And for all you guys out there, that's how tall you'll need to be to get a girlfriend. Last one. Okay, can you read this one from your book, section whatever, 4?
The Sears Tower in Chicago
Chicago. That's where I grew up, from the streets.
is the tallest building in North America. The total height of the tower, T, and the antenna that stands on top of it, A, is 1,729 feet. The difference in heights between the building and the antenna is 279 feet. How tall is the Sears Tower?
Okay, first we need to define our variables. So let A equal antenna. I failed English, it's not spelled right. Let T equal the tower itself. Okay? And so can you give me the first equation to find out the combined height of both the tower and the antenna?
T plus A equals 1,729.
This is why he's my favorite student. Okay, and can you venture a guess into what the next equation would be? Well, the second equation would be T equals 1,729 minus 279. Okay, so now, do you know what the first step in solving the equation would be?
We would subtract A from the first equation.
From the first equation. So then it is, for the first equation, T equals minus A plus 1,729. So now we're going to subtract 1,729 from either side. So this will give us negative A equals negative 279. So A equals 279. I hear you talking back there. T equals 1,729 minus 279, so T equals 1,450. Let's check our work. Okay, so for A, we're going to substitute in 279, and for T, we're going to substitute in 1,450. Now for the second way. T equals 1,729 minus A, so for T, we're going to sub in 1,450, and for A, we're going to sub in 279. If you follow that equation through to the end, you'll get 1,450 equals 1,450.